Upbeat background music plays. Hey there, Buy Smart family. Welcome back to your go-to channel for epic product showdowns. Today, we've got a 3D printing face-off that's hotter than a dragon's breath. On the left, we have the Creality Ender 3v3 SE, and on the right, the Creality K1C. Buckle up, folks, because this is going to be one wild ride. All right, let's talk about the first thing that makes our wallets scream, the price. The Ender 3v3 SE comes in at a sweet $219. It's like finding a $20 bill in your old jeans. Feels good, right? But hold your applause, because the K1C is here to drain your bank account at a whopping $699. That's right, folks. For that price, you could buy an Ender 3v3 SE and still have enough left over for a year's supply of ramen noodles. Now, speed demons, this one's for you. The Ender 3v3 SE boasts a respectable 250 millimeters per second. Not bad, right? But then, the K1C struts in with a mind-blowing 600 millimeters per second speed. That's 12 times faster than your average 3D printer. If the Ender 3v3 SE is a reliable Toyota, the K1C is a Lamborghini on steroids. Next up, let's chat about these bad boys extruders. The Ender 3v3 SE comes equipped with the Sprite Direct Extruder. It's like a superhero sidekick, reliable and strong, with over 500,000 units shipped worldwide. But the K1C isn't backing down, featuring a clog-free direct extruder and a tri-metal unicorn nozzle. Yes, you heard that right, folks, a unicorn, because who doesn't want a magical creature handling their filament? Auto-leveling is where the magic happens, or the frustration, depending on your printer. The Ender 3v3 SE has a CR touch sensor for auto-leveling and a strain sensor for auto-Z.offset. It's like having a butler for your 3D printer. Meanwhile, the K1C offers hands-free auto-calibration leveling with dynamic balancing to reduce vibration. It's like having a butler who also moonlights as a ninja. Fancy, right? And now, for the bells and whistles. The Ender 3v3 SE has a dual Z-axis and Y-axis linear shafts for stability, auto-filament loading and unloading, and a quick 20-minute assembly. It's like IKEA furniture, but without the existential crisis. On the flip side, the K1C comes with an AI camera for real-time monitoring and carbon fiber reinforced capabilities. Plus, it has an air purification system and a silent mode that's quieter than a librarian in a soundproof booth. Can you say futuristic? Reviewers have a lot to say about these two printers. The Ender 3v3 SE is praised for its affordability, ease of use, and reliability, making it a great starter option. However, some users have reported issues with auto-leveling and extrusion. On the other hand, the K1C receives mixed reviews, with some users highlighting its impressive speed and user-friendly features, while others encountered initial defects and setup challenges. Overall, the K1C is recommended for those willing to invest in a high-speed, high-tech machine. So, there you have it, folks. If you're balling on a budget and want a solid, reliable 3D printer, the Ender 3v3 SE is your go-to. But if you're ready to splurge and want all the high-speed, high-tech bells and whistles, the K1C is your dream machine. Which one would you choose? Let us know in the comments below. And don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and ring the bell so you never miss another Buy Smart showdown. Until next time, happy printing! Remember, folks, buy smart, not hard. Product links are in the description.